Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send email from GitHub. This is particularly useful when you want to receive notifications about repository activity directly to a specific email address, keeping you updated on changes and updates without constantly checking the platform. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your account. This step gets you into your GitHub dashboard where all your repositories and settings are managed. After logging in, look at the left panel of your screen where you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository you want to set up email notifications for. This takes you directly into that specific repository's workspace where you can manage all its settings and configurations. Now that you're inside your chosen repository, navigate to the top toolbar and click on Settings. This section houses all the customization options for your repository, including access controls, integrations, and notification preferences. Once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various configuration categories. Click on Email Notifications. This is where you'll configure how and where GitHub sends updates about repository activity, making it easy to stay informed about commits, pull requests, and other important events. In the address field that appears, type the email address where you want to receive notifications. Make sure you enter this correctly, as this is the destination for all your repository updates and alerts. Double-check for any typos to ensure you don't miss important communications. Next, navigate to the Approved Header section. Here you'll need to type a header that identifies these emails. For example, you might use something like "accept the email" as your header. This helps your email client recognize and properly categorize incoming GitHub notifications. Finally, click Setup Notifications to confirm all your settings. This action saves your configuration and activates the email notification system for your repository. GitHub will now send updates to the email address you specified whenever there's activity on this repository. And there you have it. You've successfully configured email notifications for your GitHub repository, ensuring you'll stay updated on all repository activity directly in your inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.